Before yesterday, I keep 2 breast chicken, then I slice and marinate for 1 day because yesterday I did not cook because I'm too much sick yesterday. My gastric ulcer attack, so that's why I okay na. Alhamdulillah, so I have time now to cook. Because before yesterday I cooked chicken curry, so every time when I cook chicken curry, I keep 2 breast chicken and I marinate it. I put soy sauce, little vinegar, garlics, yeah, my garlics then salt and black pepper. And then little oil for frying. Yeah. Must be avoid now oil today because of my gastric. And also spicy. This is very easy to cook also. Cook only in slow fire. So this is very easy to cook. Cooking chicken tapa, marinated breast chicken. So this is already cooked. Now we have to turn off now the flame. And we can put also some toppings of parsley, fresh parsley or coriander leaves because I have extra, so no problem, I will put this one toppings. Now ilagay natin lahat. Because I cooked before yesterday chicken curry, so it's too much, so that's why I have extra. Para hindi masayang, ilagay na lang dito. Ayan. Then we have to cover it. Now cover natin. Kain tayo ng lunch with kunting chicken tapa na may toppings na coriander leaves. Ayan, para hindi tayo malipasan ng gutom. Kaya kain na tayo. Lalo na at may may gastric o kaya ulcer. So kahapon wala talaga akong ganang kumain. So ngayon okay na ako, alhamdulillah. So kain na tayo ng lunch kasi 12:20 noon na, mahirap malipasan ng gutom at ayoko nang mangyari yung kahapon na inatake ako ng gastric na ulcer na almost 19 hours. Namilipit talaga ako sa sakit, sana wag nang mangyari yun, kaya kain na ako ng on time.